Hey guys, this is Detail with Passion. Today we're going to show you some of the benefits of using VONIXX's V-FLOC and V-MOL. Let's start with VONIXX V-MOL. V-MOL is a high alkaline soap that is designed to remove heavy dirt, grime, mud, and oil, all with technology that keeps your vehicle surfaces safe. This can be your work vehicles, agriculture, trail, off-road, or just the type of vehicle that you haven't had the time to maintain and there's a lot of build-up. Now, because of the use of this vehicle, you're going to want to remove as much dirt as possible. V-MOL works by loosening and breaking down stubborn grime at a chemical level. Once rinsed, a large portion of contamination is already gone. What's left becomes safer to wash because you're not dragging heavy dirt across the surface. Here's a quick before and after of just using VONIXX V-MOL as your pre-wash. V-MOL is also bucket wash friendly. Now, dilution rates are as follows. For light dirt and maintenance washes, it's 1 to 100. For medium dirt, it's 1 to 50. And for heavy dirt and degreasing, whether it's engine, underbody, or just heavily used vehicles, it's a 1 to 10 ratio. After rinsing and drying off the vehicle, we used VONIXX Shiny to dress the tires. Shiny is designed to give a deep gloss and a reflective look. Now let's move on from VONIXX V-MOL to VONIXX V-FLOC. Now, unlike V-MOL, V-FLOC is geared towards your frequent maintenance, whether it is weekly or bi-weekly. The application for V-FLOC is safe for ceramic coated vehicles, waxes, paint protection films, and just the type of vehicle that you want to keep in pristine condition, aka frequent maintenance. This pH neutral soap focuses on effective cleaning while maintaining the protection of your vehicle. Now, V-FLOC shines with its high dilution rate of 400 to 1 for bucket wash and 20 to 1 for snow foam. Now, with that level of dilution rates, you'd expect a bit of stutter on the performance side, but it stands strong on performance, giving you a super thick foam, letting the pre-wash get the job done easier. You'd also be greeted with a pleasant grape scent. Now for contact washing with VONIXX V-FLOC, VONIXX emphasizes its high lubricating agents, mitigating the chances of micro scratches during washes. As displayed after using VONIXX V-FLOC, your applied protection is still safe. The coating on this vehicle is IGL Kenzo. After maintenance with either VONIXX V-FLOC or V-MOL, whether it's adding more protection or as a standalone, you can use VONIXX's Spell or SiO2 Pro. Now, VONIXX's Spell is their spray-on, rinse-off sealant made with SiO2 protection. Spell has an instant effect when applied. It's for those people who want a quick turnover enhancement, whether it's to be used as a topper for your ceramic coating, to add UV protection, hydrophobics, and shine. Now, there are a couple notes with regards to the application of Spell. VONIXX recommends that you use Spell on a wet vehicle panel by panel. They highly recommend using a pressure washer, not just to rinse off thoroughly, but to activate the product. Now, SiO2 Pro is their ceramic spray sealant. Now, again, this can be used as a topper or a standalone. SiO2 Pro is for those who have a bit more time and want a bit more longevity. VONIXX's testing lasted up to 4 months. They recommend the application on a dry vehicle. We have 2 more bonuses here, which is Hydrox Wash. This is their ceramic wash. And then there is Restorax, which is their plastic trim restorer. Alright guys, that is a wrap for today's video. This is Detail with Passion. See you next week.